Hello, my name is Hattie Inese. I am the creative director and founder of Creative Purpose Productions, which is a nonprofit 501c3. We are a creative arts nonprofit. I collaborate and partner with poets, musicians, singers, and dancers and create purpose-driven content focused on mental health. Born and raised Detroit, Michigan, moved to Orlando July of 2015. I am a singer, actress, dancer, and model. I grew up in a very different environment, I should say. A lot of what I do now and my purpose in life as an adult has a lot to do with the experiences that I've had. As a child, I grew up with parents who struggled with addiction, and needless to say, I experienced a lot of things at an early age. And one of the things that kept me sane and kept me going, and I guess a coping mechanism for me, would be art, dancing, singing, loves movies. I also work in production as well, various roles as script supervisor, currently the VP of marketing. And I wanted to create a space that would allow artists to be artists without having the industry standards put on it. And I also wanted to be somebody who bridged the gap between at-risk youth and resources that help cultivate the skills and talents that they have. And what better way to do that than the arts? I wanted to use the gifts that I had for a purpose, to make a difference. So my goal is to make a difference. I consider myself a visionary. I had a dream about the things that I'm doing, actually, and I've been at it since 2009. And so I strive to just make a positive impact by inspiring and uplifting people with art. I like to provide a therapeutic experience for people and just leave them feeling like they have community, that they have people, and that they're not alone. Creative Purpose Productions is my baby. I do believe that it's bigger than me. I believe that it's God-driven, it's purpose-driven. And we have a show called Freedom Live that I'm the creative director of, and original music, and I help choreograph. I work with the poets and singers and dancers to speak about topics that are sensitive, because they are regarding mental health, just different daily struggles that we all can relate to. However, we also leave the crowd inspired. So it's a very, very life-changing experience with this show. And a portion of the proceeds goes towards funding free creative art workshops for at-risk youth in the Central Florida community. We have partnerships with different organizations where we host dance therapy, music therapy, art therapy, and I partner with different artists around the community to help facilitate those. My journey is not an easy one, but I like to be an inspiration to children in a way that inspires them to want to be whatever it is they want to be, and to be free in who they are. The journey definitely comes with challenges. You definitely have to push. You definitely have to be your own motivator. Having a support system is great, but your support system, they also are human as well, and they have things going on in life as well. And so you have to believe in you and be comfortable and free in who you are to fully, just fully walk in the power that you have and walk in the purpose that you have. To be able to sustain and keep pushing, you have to be your biggest motivator. You have to go after things that you have a passion for, because nothing is going to come easy. That passion is what helps you get through. That passion is what helps you push forward. And I want to be an example of that for especially kids who grew up in the same situations that I did. And as long as I'm able to make a difference in at least one child's life or one person's life or one artist's life, I think I'll be happy with that. But be free in who you are. Every day is a new day to start, start doing what it is you want to do, or work on whatever it is you want to work on, whether it's inner growth or, outer. And know that you're not alone. We are all in this together. Be gentle with yourselves. Be gentle with one another. Thank you.